Hey, 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 I got my eye on you and the back of my head's on you. Hey, we're out here. I had the boat prior to this out. It was a Bolton. This is the second boat. He took that 115 off of this and put this, I believe that's a 115 Honda on the back of this. But this is a good little boat. This is a little Electrocraft. Again, he just swapped motor. That's all I'm doing. It's a sealed deck. It looks like it's pretty thick. It's got a modified style V, so it should be pretty solid. So anyway, so all I'm doing on this one is checking this motor and make sure there's no water leaks, and it performs good with this prop. It's a 15 pitch prop. Got a full tank of gas, and we'll see what she does. This is the boat doctor, the silly ass. I said sassy. I said sassy. Don't think I said something else. I said sassy. Boat doctor. Oh, this has been a beautiful truck too, by the way. God, the old little red Titan. Ooh, nice package. Boat doctor out.